Fiercely thy war horn, O proud Taranaki, echoed Omata, stern forest around. But soon the wild war peal gave place to long wailing, when the best of thy chieftains lay dead on the ground. Well mayst thou wail, O doomed Taranaki, avenging down Russia's destruction's dark flood. For the dread mist of murder hangs over Omata, her dales are defiled with innocent blood. Hurrah for our warriors who range the wide ocean, true sons of the stormy berserker of old. And for Craigcroft's bold band who rest the red banner that flamed in fell triumph on treason's stronghold. Hurrah for the brave hearts who fought for the fair town, when the battle smoke shrouded Werka's green veil, when the long demon yell of the merciless Maori defied the deep slogan of Saxon and Gael. Gory Werka, thou'lt ne'er be forgotten, thy glorious laurel crown never will fade. But bards will sing of thee in far after ages, and link with thy fame the Omata stockade.